So when you save the sum, you have to have the ID and the name. I gave you the class. Because in your sum there's some dimension, you need to decide for yourself. So when you give the class, you need to do is go to Open Console. Do not find the area of this side because only 60% you can use as your building or an apartment. So which means if the area is 600 square meter, only you can use the division with 360. If you don't have half of that. So what you need to do is go to Outline Console. GeoMap. So search for Outline Console GeoMap. Agree. What else you need to do is type in your address. So we don't need to make it so complicated. They have the area here, which is 678. So which means the building cannot be more than 60% of this area. Do your own calculation. And also, when you put your building on this land, how you put that in? That's which side you put it. That's how you put it on the land. You need to look at, okay, what's the length of that side? What's the length of that side? Because if your building cannot longer than the breadth of the land. So how you find the length? This one. You draw a line. That will give you the distance from here to here, which means the length of your building cannot be more than 33.7 meters. And you go to that way to find the distance from here to here. The width of building cannot be more than that width as well. In the real design, you got more requirements like sunlight, all that requirement we don't need here. The only thing I need to find out is the area of your building. The only rule to apply is the area and the length. The width.
With 320.
That's the only requirement for me.
They can with 320.
So
You
then
have
the package area in one is 60%. And that's the requirement what you need to have. 3 asymmetric view, 3 plan views, 3 cross-section views, 4 column detail, which is 4 out detail. And 1 layer of politics.
रिकॉर्ड किया है यूट्यूब में डाल देना तो तुझे पता
As I
है
वो
said,
जो
in
फेस
some
सिलेक्ट करेगा
cases,
ना जिसकी साइड
let's get you
जैसे
the
इधर
detail.
कैसे करते हैं
Like
फेस सिलेक्ट करेगा ना तो कंपोनेंट इधर प्लेस होगा
asymmetric views.
जो भी
सेक्शन
One
देखना
A.
पड़ेगा फिर
So I already give you 2 views. One is that one. From the front and maybe have a
लोड
loop on the
फैमिली
back.
है
And we need to
लोड फैमिली
choose another view here.
नहीं वहाँ पे
Make sense?
हाँ कैंसिल
So, put straight view in one place.
कंपोनेंट पे सिलेक्ट कर प्लेस
Then the
कंपोनेंट
sheet one, you have your ground level, your first level, and your roof plan. Here.
ये डाले
Here is one, the ground level, the level two, and your roof plan here. That's your page in one sheet. So the third, which was second one. So you need to know the same as we did in three. The drawing course that is for the 3D. You need to show me the dimension, the scales. But for all those, you need to put in the right scales. Which means the first level, first level, and roof level.
ध्यान
One
देना
level.
बात है कम है
And that's from sheet 3, 4, 5. That's the page. The section views. So we can look at drawing 2. So if you assume that's your main building, level building, that's your annex. I'm sorry, that's your floor, that's your annex. So what you need to do is, for the sheet 3,
उनको
without
ड्राइंग
your
यही यूज़ करना है
annex means,
ऐसा नहीं
you may just cast
ये
here
दूसरा है गेट
to
के
look at
पीछे
that side. What look like.
तो इसमें एक डायमेंशन को डिजाइन नहीं
The section view of that classroom here, you need a section view of this part.
ये नहीं है इसमें
And the second one will be including the annex building. The section view will
आगे
pass
कराओगे
through the
धीरे धीरे
annex here.
अच्छा
The section view will be back.
यही जो
मैंने तो शुरू से काम कर रहा था
गलत है
And this third one,
मैंने बहुत ऐसे रैंडमली कर दिया
so
क्योंकि इसमें इसमें तेरे डायमेंशन दिए हैं ना इसलिए होगा
maybe that can just look from the one to the other.
इसको कैसे कॉपी करते हैं
कॉपी कर सारे कॉपी करके प्लेस कर पाएंगे सिलेक्ट ये कमांड से बाहर निकल एक पॉइंट पकड़ ले ऐसे नहीं पिक पॉइंट पकड़ कर जैसे अकेडमी पिक है इसमें भी दिखेगा कॉपी कर नहीं यहाँ पे नीचे में देखो हाँ अभी देखा था ना कब हाँ बताओ एंड पॉइंट है एंड पॉइंट ले हाँ एंड पॉइंट ले अब एंड पॉइंट पे बात
Which is, you need to put 4 details. How to do that? We use small or we do that then. So, we need the details of the slab page with the reinforcing inside. And the pulling plate, which we did last, we did last week, the pulling plate. And the base plate, we did last week as well. The column and rafter joint. So that will be,
आज का कर रहा है
लास्ट वीक
yeah. So that will be the detail
लास्ट
here.
में से पल्ली कर रहा है ना
What's the joint here? So, here, and one detail, just the thing, and one detail for the base plate. Here the stack page, which is that part. Then we'll come to our last page, which is the schedule quantity. So for this course, you do need the last semester, you just do the hand calculation for the reinforcing bar, the steels, but for this one, you need to do the hand calculation. As long as your drawing is correct, everything will generate itself. I'll show you how to generate that one.
इसमें रेफरेंस कौन सी वाला है दिखाएं
So same
Yes, side का detail.
Okay, okay. I'm not going to ask you to put all the reinforcing bar. So we're going to take the quantity of reinforcing. Just try to put the information which you think should be there.
ये दोनों को जोड़ना है, कैसे align करना, कैसे करते हैं? इन दोनों को align करना है.
अगले कमांड उसमें
Follow step by step. You can get it.
Yes, इधर से क्या कर रहे हैं? इसको select करो पहले. अब क्या करना है?
दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट
Only the top, the
कर
staircase.
पहले इसको सेलेक्ट कर बाद में
What else we have? The staircase, the
जिसके ऊपर
top,
डालना है ना पहले उसको सेलेक्ट
the
कर
level
एक्सेप्ट करो बाद में सेलेक्ट कर
make two levels.
नहीं होगा पहले कमांड के बाद में कर
So in the beginning of this drawing, pretty much you can draw everything apart from the staircase
अरे उसका ग्रुप बना लेना फिर
and the top.
उसका ग्रुप बना लेना
And the detail
पर्टिकुलर
of
रखना
page.
इंडिविजुअल रखना
ये तो select होता है. इसको
Okay,
receive
if you
करते हैं.
have any more questions about it?
वो नहीं हाँ हाँ अब उसके सेलेक्ट कर
So let's do this way. Because I give you this kind of dimension, you can use this dimension. But if you think, oh, I want to do a free design, I'm okay with that. Yeah. I think use dimension will be easy, but if you oh, I want to do my own free design, maybe make a strong building, whatever, you can do that.
Where it says,
But you have to be two level with annex, with the point, and yeah, with the stair. You can do outside stair, you can do inside stair, doesn't matter. And mezzanine floor.
where it says 3,500 plus last 3 pages of the ID number between grade 5 and grade 3. What's grade 3 for? Are there columns in grade 3?
That's the roof.
That's the roof.
Yes.
And then it says X1 to X2, 2 and
So,
1.
so what happens is, from here, you actually need to do your own design. It's kind of your own design because from here to here, it's free design. As I said, as long as the width is not outside the length, it's okay. And then for those ones, the ratio will be 2 to 1.
मूव कर रही है अलाइन कर रही है
And then,
नहीं, align करके move कर रही है. ऐसे ये लगा है. ऐसे कर रही है.
इसको ग्रुप कर देना एक ग्रुप बना लो वो सारे डिलीट कर दे फिर इसको कितना डिस्टेंस पे देखो चल रहे हैं पीछे ये बॉटल
Bottle है, इसलिए.
You can follow this one.
थोड़ा और
Which give you all the dimensions.
स्लाइड
If you don't want, you can give your own stuff. Okay, it's okay. So which means you don't need to follow all these rules as long as our rock is there. When I check the salmon, I'll check the weight of the building, the length of building, the area of the building, and also all these elements on your building lot. Maybe about all requirements, I want the roof will be the same. I don't want flat roof. I know maybe someone can look at flat roof, so easy.
अंदर कर दे
No flat roof.
अंदर कर दे
Anything else? I need to make sure you don't finish your part.
अब वापस से लेकर ऐसे नहीं टैप करके दो हाँ नहीं होगा थोड़ा छोटा कर देना अभी भी नहीं
You can. That's nice. Actually, yeah.
ऐसे नहीं इकेड जैसा नहीं है कि राइट लेफ्ट करेंगे हाँ
Just make it more interesting, just do your own design. No, not flat roof.
स्टेज भी डालना है
So I have a question about the salmon. Don't you all there? We'll do that next week. So what was it, you know, the total floor area, the total building footprint area will include this one here, include that one here. It's not only the nursery. So which means all those area should be less than 60% of the total land area. That's about that. Okay. If you look at the floor, I put some radio here. Not and two more things about how to print off, how to do the reinforcing bars. So same as number, you can start with this one now. Plus, that's why I put on top, how to make more here.
बीच में कोटी आगे डाल दिया
How to add another level.
ये
And different from last week is I put one exercise here. So
कहाँ
you
दिया
already not
हाँ
इसमें डाल के एक साइड का मेजरमेंट निकाल के
Finish it now, today?
yeah. That's for 0.5 mark. 0.25. It's too little. 0.5. If you can finish this one then. If you can do this one, that means you can do your own assignment. That's why I put this one. Just practice. So you can go for easy one. Tutorial 5 and 6 to get 0.5, or this one to get 0.5. You can start your own. If you know how to do this one, you can start with it now. If you still didn't get what we talked about last week, I'm going to do demo on last week's stuff. So it's your own choice. You want to listen to me or you want to do your own 0.5 or 0.5 max. Free choice. Because I know everyone on different stage at the moment. If I force all of you guys to listen to me, then maybe no points. And if I force all you to do this one, maybe someone cannot do it. So make your own decision. You want to go for this hand is not out anyway.
इसमें 60% करना है, 60% नहीं बनाना है।
So put your hand up, you still got question from last week, and I'll do demo anyway. Which you can from the first week or the next week, and the second week is 200. Now just change to 200. And since you put your slab A, the second step. Can you please? Huh? So then the first step, you put the great line first. Yeah. And then you do the slab A. What you do after that? Here the column, and then the rafter, cut off, and maybe raise. I think the easy step, you do the column, when you do the column, raise up for the plate, base plate. What's the base plate? True ball base plate. So we can use the same base plate. So next question is, you do the column, you raise up, put the plate, give enough space to put the plate, then you do the rafter. Otherwise you need to do all the thing again. And then do the rafter, then copy. Copy to, that's the one here, copy here. After that, put your plan on. And then put the plate. Put your plate. structure is this one here. From here to here, first is 150 degree as photo frame. Let's do another frame. Put that frame. One more frame, same way. Do one frame from here to here. Copy, copy, copy. Yeah. After that, we have a car here. So that will be this way, on this way tutorial. So you can, after that, you can go to this way tutorial to say, I think that's 5, note 5. To look at how to make this car. Oh, sorry, 6. Note 6. To see how to make this car. Yeah. So for this, you do need to put all the tip on. Just put one. That should be fine for the because not enough time to put all the thing in. Yeah, just give a try if you want.
प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है इसमें
नेट प्रॉपर्टी में इसमें
इधर बना दिया हमने इसको कैसे करना
Left, outside, both sides.
हाँ नेट टाइप प्रॉपर्टी में
So that will be offset
सिलेक्ट ही करना होता है हाँ
630. Like I
नहीं
showed.
ऐसे नहीं
इसको
प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब क्या है
इसको मैं कैसे
कलर का है मैच प्रॉपर्टी देखो सेम भी है
इसको मैं कैसे करूँगा
क्या
यही करना है सेम सभी तो उड़ा
डिस्टेंस लगा के
उड़ा फिर
साइड डिलीट कर दो एक को ग्रुप बना ज्वाइंट कर दो बाकी के साथ कॉपी कर लो डिस्टेंस लगाना है हो जाएगा
So, now you make your decision what you want to do.
पर इतना वजन क्यों कर रहा है आपने यार एक पल्ले सही से ढंग से बनाएंगे बाकी का सहारा बनाएंगे कॉपी करके सब
तो ये बना दिया
वो सारा डिलीट कर दिया एक पल्ले ढंग से बनाएंगे बाकी का सारा उसको ग्रुप करने
क्यों सेलेक्ट नहीं
Create schedule of conflicts.
एंड
How to create schedule of
कमाई
conflicts
करता
in the
रहता है
last page of your
एक्सेप्ट
standard.
करना होगा
So what you need to do is go to your project notebook here. Listen carefully.
इधर भी है
So go to, so you say schedule for conflicts. Then press it. New schedule conflicts. Because we are doing the structure drawing, we just looking for the
अच्छा वो सही है हाँ, तो ठीक है
Let's say if you want to put in structure column, just click on the structure column. Then okay. You have this one here. So for the column, what we need, just put the, because so many information, 55 items. Just choose the one you want on your form. What we have last time. Probably we have the assembly marks. So we need location, where is our column, and we need the length of column. What else do we need? Copy. No, we don't need wait for this. We need cut length. So let's say if we want the some mark, just leave this one go here, and I need the length, just length. Why I can't see length here?
कोयल में दोनों पर वोल्ट्स दोनों तरफ डालने होंगे ना
The location mark, that's what we need, we want. Copy location mark. Yeah, location mark.
और शायद वो जो उड़ाते हैं
उसको सारा मिरर कर ले इतना की टेंशन है
Anyone can see the
बस
length?
सिलेक्ट कर
Cut length was there.
Yeah, it's not cut length, but it is the length. Here you can put cut length here.
बीच में इतना जगह छोड़ना रैंडम
You can put weight if you want. That's what we had last time. What's the length? Try on you one. I don't know why I can't see the length here. It's the length. Huh? What length? This way? Yeah, this length. Here, let's give you the location mark. So, Cora, when you open you one, just try the length, because I can't see here, should be there. So I do that again. New schedule and I go to the I choose structure column, which is one. Okay, when you open your one, just try have lens of the wall.
आज के मुझे नहीं लगा कि इसके दो चुका है
Where's the location mark?
Sketch.
I will set it again. I'll call the location mark.
किससे काम करते
न्यू स्केच
क्या हुआ पीछे में पीछे
Maybe the, yeah, the column tab, type of
दो दिन
column,
लगता था
that
वो
will be that one well.
लेट नाइट हो रहा था लेट नाइट हर जगह ओपन नहीं हो रहा
Should have lens there, but I can't find it. So just put information like what you think is really you need it. Let's get your quantity.
प्लीज
And for your colon is the same, for your plate, you can do that. And then the next one,
मैं तो बच्चे इसका लेता हूँ
how to do the shape. You know, in AutoCAD, we need to do the layout page. For this one, we don't need to do that. What we do, we go to shape. So you go to the project browser, go to shape, and new shape. So we want A1. Okay.
अभी सितंबर से
So you don't need to change anything here. Just keep whatever here and just keep it. So let's say if I want to put if okay, but I just put something else.
Even though
Okay, I did one sheet already.
कुछ करना नहीं होता drag and drop करना है बस
Yeah, so because I did put sheet, another sheet for level 1. So you can put another sheet in as well. As long as
दिखा वो बता मेरे को बता दो
you
कैसे
change
जाना
size
है
and squeeze that in.
कन्वर्ट
So
करना
that's easy, it's just drag in,
वीडियो से
put it
कन्वर्ट
there.
करना
हाँ section
वन में
वही reference line बना
अंदर के अंदर नहीं बना
I think the first thing to do
नहीं
is
उसको लगा
you start doing your assignment because from now until 14th, is it 14th of June, you have about 4 ways to do it.
डिस्टेंस बताया उसने कितना डिस्टेंस
So different you,
सबसे ज़्यादा
you can finish them during the class. So during the class you do your assignment, if you have questions then we can handle it.
हाँ मैं सबको सब में जान वाला थोड़ा सबसे किए मैंने जो भी सिविल ट्रेड
So
में
that's
जाते
about your
हैं
assignment.
बोलते
Now we
हैं
go
जब
back
ऑटो
to
करते हैं
क्यों
डिप्लोमा वाले ऑटो कैड में जाना है सिविल ट्रेड में नहीं कर सकता तो ये सब चीज़ होता है
most of you guys already finished this one in class.
वाले
So any question about this one? Any questions?
तो इस बार सिविल हाथी के लिए आने के लिए
Anyone want me to do the demo on how to book the poker
दो
plate?
पेपर लूँगा दो
How to handle the base plate?
अगले सेमेस्टर ऐसे करना
So anyone want me to show you how to do this one? Oh, you're all okay with this one?
तो मुझे मतलब
आराम से पास होगा
दो पेपर
The poker
मतलब
plate
पेपर मेजरमेंट में
and
जाना है
plate.
पेपर
No question at all?
तो नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में तो ये सब लेके आना है क्योंकि मेरे को इन लोगों ने ना बोला 5 सब्जेक्ट लिए
So as I said, you can start to your class exercise, you can start to the get the 2-5 marks, or you can start to the
एक सब्जेक्ट
note 5 and 6 to get 0.25 if you want. Oh, you can listen to me and if you want me to show something, show you something, do some demos.
serial project este
Okay, how to put bullets on? Any question about that one? How to put bullets on you auto frame? That's
ये चलता है
ये तो बंद करके
I actually ask you guys, are you okay with that part? The pollens, the back row, the pollens okay? Yeah?
या
मेरे को क्या पूछ रहा है
इसमें भी थोड़ा थोड़ा हेल्प किया लेकिन मैंने किया था ना पहले
So the pollen six. Some of you guys haven't done that one. If you haven't done that one, do that one, start from there.
The pollen clay, the pollens.
Small.